Hi, I've returned. So RIP to Vlogmas because I've had some issues about it in the video and explain it properly. But yeah, basically it's not been a good time for my electrical equipment. Technology, that was the word, electrical equipment. Basically I've been having some technical issues, so I haven't been able to upload or even edit like my videos that I've been wanting to get up in the past few days. So yeah, I'm using my camera again. Those issues were on my phone. So yeah, like I said, I'll explain that in a minute. But obviously I'm back using my camera, so I thought I would just film a little get ready with me kind of thing and just do some chill wintry vibe makeup. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Very, very chill, very, very laid back. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look and just hear me ramble on about random crap as always, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Alright, so okay, we can tell that I've already done my eyeshadow. I just thought it was kind of boring for like a get ready with me because it's just kind of boring. So I thought I would just kind of do a bit of the eyeshadow and then just kind of start. I did use this guy again, the Berry and Wildlife eyeshadow palette. It's so cute. They donate 20% of the profits of this to the, what's it called? The David Shepherd Wildlife Foundation. So it's to help save tigers. So if you can get one of these, they have another one, they have a blue one as well. So if you can get one of these, try them, they're so cute. And this palette is so nice. It's not the best, like the formula isn't, you know, amazing, but hey, we got a cool eye look out of it. And okay, so yeah, I've been having some issues, okay, like I mentioned in the intro. It's been a few days since I've uploaded. Vlogmas has kind of died. I didn't want it to, and I didn't plan on like missing a few days of uploading, but it was literally because I had so many, well I still have actually. I filmed, I think, was it 2 videos? 1 or 2 videos like on my phone because they were more like vlog kind of things, and when I was like trying to move the files from my phone to my laptop to obviously start editing, it won't let me put the files on my laptop, so I can't. It's really annoying. I managed to get my intro on there and I've edited that randomly for 1 video, and I can't get the rest of the other files. Aww. That was really annoying, so I'm still gonna try it again. I don't know, maybe if the Wi-Fi was down or something. It just kept saying there was an error, so I'm gonna try again because I filmed a what I eat in a day, and like I filmed all my meals, okay? Like I don't want that, like all the footage to just go to waste. But you know, while I'm still trying to get that video sorted, I thought I may as well just, obviously I'm using my proper camera now. I haven't had time since then because obviously I've been working as well, so I've been trying to, so I thought I would just, you know, film this today at least. I still haven't done my nail. Look at that. Like, oh my god. I need to sort my nails out still. Why do I feel like this lighting's like really bad? Do I need to get this brightness up a little bit? Oh, my battery's probably dying on my light. That's probably what it is. Okay. That's kind of the situation with the Vlogmas stuff. I don't know whether to carry on now because I've missed days, so I don't know. I think I'm just gonna upload videos as much as I can and not kind of, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm kind of annoyed. I'm really annoyed that I haven't been able to follow through with it. I mean, it has obviously been really hard, like working 30 hours a week, trying to film, edit and upload in the same day is, well, more than 30 hours actually, because of Christmas. I've been doing more than that, so it is a lot to do, so maybe I shouldn't have done it. Didn't really go as planned. Okay, so I'm going to use the V mascara from Revolution. I've really been liking this. I think it's a great mascara. Really, really volumizing. I feel like they've put lots of product in here as well because it does feel quite thick, but like to apply it, it doesn't like go on really thick. Okay, so move on to the face. So I did do my skincare and stuff before. I'm so sorry that it's quite dark. Like my light is like the battery's dying on my light, so I need to be fair, I haven't actually charged it since I bought it, so it's lasted a good month. I think it's like I've had this for a month and the battery hasn't died yet, so I think I'm just gonna charge that after. Okay, so for my face, so I did my skincare before. I'm gonna be using I don't think I've used this on camera yet, but this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Face Primer. I think I showed this in like a haul or something, I don't know, but I really like this. I thought it was going to be a lot more sticky than it actually is, but I kind of like it. It's more like a moisturizer, but it's still really, really sticky, but not too sticky, if that makes sense. Kind of pricey for a face primer. I think it was about £27, I want to say. I think the £30 mark is like expensive for like a face primer. She says still loving and buying the Smashbox one. But yeah, I love this. It goes really, really sticky and I'm obsessed. Also, this is also kind of new. I've barely used this. It's the Zoeva Authentic Skin Luminous Foundation, and obviously this is too dark for me. It's the shade Grace, which is 230W. I did mention when I use this, it's so dark for me. Well, it's not so dark, but like it's winter now. I like maybe in the summer this might be okay for me, but I do need to mix it, so I'm gonna use the LA Girl Whitener foundation with this. I can't really see it because of the lighting, but you know, it's all good. This lighting is so bad. No, I can't deal with this. I'm gonna go charge this camera light because I can't deal with this lighting. I'm gonna have to come back in a bit. Okay, hi, I'm back. Thank God we have actual lighting now. So I charged my light up for a little bit. So, okay, yeah, this looks a lot better. We can actually see my face now, which is great. Let's just get the rest of this video done so I can get it up tonight. Just got concealer, so I'm gonna use the Tarte Creases concealer. I haven't used this in a while. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it's a really good concealer. It's really, really full coverage, but I feel like it creases on me. I honestly like envy people that don't have to set their concealer. Like, I wish I didn't have to, because like, look how like glowy that looks under the eyes. I mean, I can kind of recreate that with like a glowy powder or something, but like, it'd be so good if like I didn't have to set my skin. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm gonna bake with this. I mean, I do this all the time when I film like makeup tutorials. Like, I never go anywhere. I don't like leaving my house, okay? So I'm gonna like keep some powder like right under like the creases of my eye. While that's kind of baking, so I'm just going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I haven't used this in a while, to be fair. I'm going to use this. I actually got reminded of this from, I was watching those, you know, like when like Vogue get like models or like actresses to like do like their makeup routines or skincare routines. I saw, who was it? What was it? Oh, it was Sophia Richie. I love Sophia Richie. She actually used this bronzer, and then I was like, oh my god, I haven't used that in so long. So she reminded me how good this bronzer was. It's one of her favourite bronzers, which I think is good. Which I think is kind of cool that she uses like affordable stuff as well. So yeah, I was watching that. I don't know why I love watching those like Vogue like videos. I don't know. I think it's like just cool to, like seeing like models like do their, and like not just models, but like models, actresses. They do their makeup so differently to like people on YouTube. Like, I find it really weird. I'm gonna put this everywhere. Oh, this bronzer is so good. Okay, let me just do the little lash line super quickly. Oh, I've been watching Friends again, like for like the 50th time. Like, honestly, I cannot, like, my family, like, just, they don't understand like how I can watch Friends just all the like repeatedly. I've watched the series so many times. Literally since, what age did I start watching Friends? I was in year 7, so was that 13? Are you like 12 or like 13? I literally started watching it in like year 7 or year 8, and I just oh my god, I just love it so much. I don't know what I realised like this time watching it, like it gets even more funnier from like season 5 and like season 6, like kind of from like the London episodes, like from there, like when Ross and Emily get married, it's kind of from there where it just gets so much more funnier. I just love it. Like, I'm on season 7 now, and I find Rachel a lot more funnier in the later ones. Same with Phoebe. Like, Rachel kind of annoys me in like the earlier ones. I don't know why. She's always just, I don't know. I think it's, I don't know, maybe the jokes they just gave her weren't the best, but like in the later ones, like, she's so funny. Okay, moving on anyway. For blush, I'm just going to use the Essence Bronze Me Up blush. This is so affordable. These are literally like £1. Okay, I'm not going to set my face because I am not going anywhere, and use highlight. So I'm going to use the Fenty Hustla Baby highlight. Just this one. It's just like a mini one. Okay, so that highlight is like one of the best highlights in the entire world. So I think we've just got lips now. So I'm going to use the Nudestix boho lip crayon first. I don't know if you can get Nudestix in the UK, to be honest. I got this when I was in New York. I got it from Sephora. Are they on Cult? They might be on Cult Beauty or something. I know they're not on Beauty Bay. This is such a nice colour. And then I'm like obsessed with like mixing lip stuff at the minute. I don't know why. I'm then just going to use the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. Is this Bow and Arrow? Yeah. Bow and Arrow liquid lip just in the centre. It's a tiny bit lighter. So that is it for this really random little chatty get ready with me. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little makeup look. Is this kind of like the same thing that I did when I used this palette before? I don't think it was, but anyway. I hope you enjoyed this little look here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'm gonna try and just I don't know what I'm gonna do about this whole Vlogmas situation, but like I'm just gonna get as many videos up as I can as soon as I can and just try and just keep going. I know I got messed up a bit. I'm blaming the Gemini full moon. I'm gonna keep going. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this little makeup look, and I will see you in my next video.